welcome back. Today we have a really exciting quest to do together. My life has been kind of a mess lately and I'm really embarrassed to show you guys the state of my room right now. I've just been really busy, things happen, and you know, I feel like since I also have a lot of products, it makes my room a lot messier. I'm about to show you guys, but I am gonna go to IKEA and we're gonna do like a room makeover, cozy fall vibe, because I want my room to look super like cozy for the winter time because we're gonna be in our rooms like all seasons, so might as well have our room in like the best and optimal place to be in, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just gonna get ready and do my skincare in the morning. We're currently waiting for Lauren to finish work and get back home so we can go to IKEA together. She's probably gonna be really tired because her job right now is like pretty labor intensive, but she is down to go. And that's like one thing that I love about Lauren is like she's always down no matter what the situation is. But yeah, so I'm about to show you guys my current kind of like workspace slash you guys are gonna see right now, watch. So if you come into my room, it's my desk. I don't want to show you guys too much. And then we have this giant ping pong table that my friend brought one time for a party and then he never remembered to bring it back. I literally have been using a ping pong table as like my new setup slash workspace, and as you can tell, there's like a lot going on and it's literally the biggest eyesore in the world. Yeah, no, I can't. Like every time I walk into my room, this makes me so stressed, but I have nowhere else to do my makeup. So today I think I'm gonna find some kind of storage bins to make this place look a lot better and like less messier. We're just gonna change our life a little bit, you know, start off the new year, even though we have like 2 months left, on a good foot, if that makes sense, because come on. This is horrible. Every time my friends come over, they laugh because like this is the ping pong table that they brought to like hang out with me. So we're gonna change that, go to IKEA and go for some room shopping because we deserve a glow up. Okay, like to be fair, I know I am very messy, but like actually like 90% of these are products. Like I film here, I do my makeup here, and this is like PR. These are all just products. I feel like once we clean up the products, everything will be perfect. So that's why I'm gonna look for a more optimal storage. Okay, if you guys saw my recent video, you guys know I recently got a new PC. Awesome, right? So this thing is so thick that it took up like my entire desk, and this was actually like my beauty setup. Everything was here, but now everything took up the space here. Obviously, like I have no space to put products. By the way, look at how cute. Today's the last day that I'll get ready on this ping pong table. So get ready with me. Also keep all my products in here, so I need some more storage for my products. I feel like having a room glow up also gives us a mental glow up, and that's exactly what I need. So I'm actually really excited to redo my room a little bit and just clear out my space, clear out my thoughts, and have a cozy room for the holidays. Lauren's home, everyone.
I'm getting ready.
Me too.
Ready. Did you know that? Ready? Because it's R.
This is ready.
Ready.
How do you say let's get ready with me?
I don't know. I don't know. I know. Everyone, ready. I don't think there's a sign for let's get ready because that's not what my ASL teacher signed. Ooh, I'm leaving. That was atrocious.
On our way to IKEA.
Woohoo! So right.
Scary. That looks good. So amazing. I'm so hungry.
Actually, last time we got the 16 leaf.
One for you. Dipped in the lingonberry sauce. You know that guy on TikTok that's like, I got it, my protein. I'm numbing them. I was actually so hungry.
This is my flesh.
Anyways, that was mid. It was mid or something.
Yeah, it was whatever.
It was not that good.
It was whatever. Like, cake time. Because I worked so hard, I'm just starving. Made this type of love finally.
This is so cute. I want my room to look like this. Why doesn't my room look like this? I hate filming in public. Like, imagine having a cozy room like this. Why does my room not look like this? It's like my dream to have like those Pinterest aesthetic rooms. We're working on it. We're working on it. Can't find what I want, guys. Yay, time to go home. Hey guys, welcome to my crib. Today we went for the yellow theme. This is my bed, my yellow pillow, and my yellow sweater. And come over here. This is my yellow vanity. Come. This is my bathroom with towels. The most aesthetic bathroom you'll ever see in your life. Come, this is Lauren's room. Oh yeah, this is definitely my room. Here, take over, Lauren.
No, I'm camera shy. Anyways, guys, this is my bed. It's a nice size. Look at how cute my pillows are. My aesthetic little sheets.
This is totally Lauren's vibe. So cute. Going curtain shopping, and it says Hannah. So I think I'm gonna get it. I can't find any storage units that I like. I thought I liked something, but I saw it in person. I didn't like it. This one? It's squashy. If I was a cat. Challenge who can meow the loudest. Meow. We have one. Oh. What's going on? Meow. Oh my god. Oh, you sound like the Minecraft cat. My mom really likes the donut lamp. She's gonna get it. Yippee! This is so cute. Oh my gosh, I wish I could have that. Definitely in our future home. Let's install one of those. I'm so tired. Checking out takes me. We literally didn't get anything.
Yeah, I did.
I mean, we didn't get the storage.
My home.
We did not get any storages. That's what Lauren got. We have so many mugs. It's not gonna fit. I don't know why. But sadly, no storage. I don't know what we're gonna do with my room now. This is so random, but I don't know why. I've always wanted a basket when I was little, but it was always like too expensive, so I never got it. But now we got our own basket, guys. Even though it's just a laundry basket, it's like nothing special. I've literally always wanted one. Today's the day, Mom. Okay, guys, this is our haul. First, we got this laundry basket. That's been my dream laundry basket since I was little, and it has 2 compartments. We're gonna see where we can put this. We literally did not get any storage things. Like, we came for storage, but we bought so many other things. I also got this curtain for my room. I got one for the living room as well. We also got this viral donut lamp from TikTok. This is actually the most expensive thing we bought. This was 70 bucks, but my mom really wanted it, so Christmas present, Mom?
Sure.
This is really pretty and I can't wait to put this up. Last but not least, I got these 2 picture frames. I thought they would be so beautiful in our home. This red one really caught my eye. And I think this would look really cute with drawings that me and Lauren do together one day. Thank you, everyone. Good morning, guys. Happy Thanksgiving. It's currently 7 a.m. and we're getting ready for the turkey trot. My mom and Lauren decided to spontaneously go because my friends are all gonna be running today, so we thought we would go support them. And hopefully I get to run into some of you guys as well there because I know it's a really big event like here in the Bay. This is my first time going ever. I don't know why, but let's go. I'm so tired. We're downtown. It's so cold. Freezing. But look, I haven't been here in so long.
Good job, little minions. That's great. Everyone, keep it moving through those photographers.
Alright, side mission complete. I just watched everyone run. Guys, I don't know what happened. I just took the fattest nap of my life after that turkey trot, as if I ran that 10K, but no, all I did was wake up to support my friends in the morning. But now I'm gonna just relax. I put a face mask on, a sulfur face mask, because I've been breaking out really bad. I also went to Thanksgiving with my boyfriend's family and it was really fun. They gave me Vietnamese food. We had chicken pho. It was really good and really yummy. It's always fun to go to his side of the family's house. And tomorrow I have my Friendsgiving, but not sure how. And tomorrow I have my Friendsgiving, so I can't wait to go to that. But today I'm just ready to go to bed. It's also really sad that I didn't get any IKEA upgrades yesterday because my room is still a mess. Please don't look at that. Again, I hope the next time you guys see me, my room will be clean. I need to hang up the curtains that I got too. I love how every vlog or haul that I do about like shopping, I always have a list. Like I have a specific list of what I want to get, but I never get it because I can never find what I want. So hopefully the next time you see me, my room will be clean because that's horrible. But I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog and I hope you guys had a really beautiful Thanksgiving. I can't wait to see you guys during Christmas. Let's see how that goes. Okay, see you guys later. Happy Thanksgiving. I'm so grateful for all of you guys and so thankful that you guys are even watching this video. Bye.